Imagine a world where artificial intelligence not only flies our planes but designs and builds them too. What happens to jobs in aerospace in such a scenario? As we catapult into a future where AI is increasingly becoming the norm, we can't help but wonder about its implications on the aerospace industry. There's no denying that AI's role in aerospace is growing at a rapid pace. From creating flight plans to predicting maintenance needs, AI is revolutionizing the field in ways we had only dreamed of. However, this surge in AI technology also brings with it a wave of apprehension. There are fears of job losses as AI automation takes over roles traditionally performed by humans, but it's not all doom and gloom. Alongside these fears, AI is also paving the way for new opportunities and job roles. It's giving rise to a new breed of aerospace professionals who are adept at leveraging AI to push the boundaries of what's possible. This raises the question, is AI a threat or an opportunity for jobs in aerospace? Let's hear from some leaders in the field of AI and aerospace about this intriguing question. A quote that reverberates in the tech world is from Elon Musk, who opined, "AI is likely to be either the best or worst thing to happen to humanity." This statement from the SpaceX pioneer undeniably represents the exciting yet unpredictable future of AI in aerospace. On a similar note, Ginni Rometty, former CEO of IBM, once stated, "Some people call this artificial intelligence, but the reality is this technology will enhance us. So instead of artificial intelligence, I think we'll augment our intelligence." This perspective suggests that AI will not replace humans in aerospace, but rather enhance and redefine roles within the industry. Another leading voice, Andrew Ng, co-founder of Coursera and an AI pioneer, shared, "Just as electricity transformed almost everything 100 years ago, today, I have no hard time believing that AI